Join us on an enlightening exploration of woodworking, learning about versatility and power of cutting-edge machines that have redefined the art of craftsmanship. Let's start exploring them. Next, we encounter a United States forest featuring the John Deere 768L tree harvester. A leading-edge device in forestry technology, it effortlessly traverses the woodland with precision, boasting a cutting capacity of up to 70 centimeters in diameter and efficiently processing wood. With an impressive hourly cutting capacity of approximately 0.7 acres, this machine stands as a dominant force in the logging industry. The 768L with advanced tech minimizes environmental impact, promoting sustainable logging. Maneuvering efficiently through dense foliage, it strikes a balance between power and eco-consciousness, cementing its crucial role in forestry. After the wood is collected, it will be transported to sawmills. The Frontier OS-27 mobile sawmill is a marvel in action at the sawmill workshop. With a cutting capacity of up to 27 inches in diameter and 13 feet in length, this portable sawmill efficiently transforms logs into high-quality lumber. Its portable design allows for on-site milling, reducing transportation costs and environmental impact. The Frontier OS-27 showcases precision and versatility, making it an indispensable tool for woodworkers and forestry professionals alike. The powerful OAK Schwiz log splitter is cutting logs efficiently, demonstrating its impressive capabilities. With a cutting force of about 30 tons, this machine can easily process a significant volume of wood. Ensuring a smooth and efficient firewood production process. The precision and speed of the OAK Schwiz make it a valuable asset, splitting logs at a rate of up to 40 strings per hour. The HF800 saw efficiently splits large timber logs into smaller pieces, processing 800 logs per hour with precision. Its cone-shaped design ensures accurate and uniform wood dimensions, maximizing productivity and minimizing waste for a sustainable timber industry solution. Next up is the Husqvarna 572 XP handheld chainsaw, a powerful machine in the forestry industry, capable of cutting through large trees with ease. With a cutting capacity of up to 28 inches and a powerful motor, it exhibits outstanding precision and speed. Ergonomic design ensures ease of use, even with such heavy work. The 572 XP is more than just a tool, it is a performance beast, demonstrating efficiency with its ability to fell large trees quickly. For large trees, we need to use specialized chainsaws, and also need users with professional techniques. The chainsaw was diligently cutting through the towering giant cottonwood tree. With the ability to cut up to 1.5 meters in diameter, this powerful machine ensures efficient harvesting even in adverse weather conditions. This wood processing factory is processing a giant old tree. They're working at full capacity to cut wood that is thousands of years old, emphasizing both its strength and precision. This large wood processing facility boasts advanced technology and efficient production processes. Its impressive cutting machine handles a substantial number of ancient trees per hour, showcasing modern expertise in handling giants of the forest with unparalleled skill. With a cutting capacity of up to 1 meter in diameter, this powerhouse machine showcases both strength and finesse. The MS-880 boasts an impressive engine, delivering over 8 horsepower, allowing it to effortlessly handle the immense load. Witnessing the efficiency of the steel MS-880 as it effortlessly slices through the mammoth oak, it becomes evident why it's the go-to choice for demanding and large-scale wood-cutting operations. The Magni 630 chainsaw leads in advanced technology, proactively tackling hazardous trees. Boasting a cutting capacity of 630 MA and a robust motor, it effortlessly ensures safety and efficiency in clearing trees from steep embankments. The evolution of the chainsaw machine has been remarkable, with advancements in design and technology enhancing its efficiency and ease of use, making it an indispensable tool for arborists and lumberjacks alike. The Magni 630 machine handles tree trunks expertly, with an impressive lifting capacity of up to 6,000 kg and a maximum reach of 30 meters. This crane demonstrates its prowess in forestry applications. The efficiency of chainsaw machines in cutting through dense wood has seen a significant boost thanks to innovations in chain design, automatic lubrication systems, and enhanced safety features. From precise pruning tasks to large-scale felling operations, chainsaw machines showcase their adaptability, proving instrumental in maintaining landscapes and supporting sustainable forestry practices. This Husky 572 XP chainsaw is lightweight and portable to meet the needs of arborists, allowing them to move through tree canopies with ease and precision. The time it takes for this machine to process a tree only takes about 3 minutes. If you are a forestry lover, please please subscribe to our channel to receive more useful information. Now, let's see with me how heavy machinery in forestry works. The portability and reliability of modern chainsaw machines contribute to their effectiveness in emergency situations, aiding in the swift removal of fallen trees and debris after storms or natural disasters. Innovations like chainsaw milling attachments further expand the capabilities of chainsaw machines, turning them into on-site lumber processing tools, providing a sustainable solution for woodworkers. Let's take a close look to see the power of the logging monsters. This video was 11 years ago, but at that time the power of chainsaws had already developed like this.
Fantastisch. Sehr kraftvoll, hängt am Gas. Ich habe kaum Vibrationen oben im Baum.
Chainsaw machines play a crucial role in sustainable forestry practices, striking a balance between efficient wood harvesting and environmental conservation. Combining electric and gasoline-powered chainsaws not only enhances their environmental friendliness, but also expands their versatility, allowing for quieter and emission-free operation. What a huge log! Let's see if he can cut through it. With this cut, it will ensure that the tree does not fall in another direction. The Ackerman F3B excavator is harvesting trees in the forest using the included BJM 350 wood harvester. Its harvesting ability reaches incredible speeds . This machine is known as the tree cutting monster. It can neatly process a tree in 5 minutes. The chainsaw machine, a symbol of technological progress in forestry, has revolutionized the efficiency of tree cutting, making tasks that once took hours now achievable within minutes. With advancements like automatic chain lubrication and anti-vibration systems, the chainsaw machine not only enhances productivity, but also prioritizes user comfort, reducing operator fatigue during prolonged use. Husqvarna chainsaw is one of the hottest products in 2024, with the ability to cut trees at a speed of 2,600 revolutions per minute. experts have shown that the speed of a chainsaw is 8 times faster than using rudimentary sawing tools. Let's see its ability to cut wood. In addition to the ability to effectively cut and harvest wood, this machine also ensures warmth for the driver in this cold environment. After the wood is cut, the task of collecting wood will be quickly performed by this machine.
Thanks for watching our video until the end. What impressed you the most? If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment below. We appreciate your feedback to enhance our future videos. Don't forget to click like, share and subscribe for the latest updates from us. Thank you very much and see you soon.